Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Stack. In this video guys, if you want to remove the Microsoft Edge, this video is for you. I will show you how to remove it completely. Just open the another browser. Make sure you end task the if any Edge is opening here like this, just right click and end it. You need to end task the Microsoft Edge related all the services. EdgeUpdate. Now on the search bar you need to type Wise program uninstaller and just open the first link here and just click on free download. And this is very powerful tool to uninstall any programs. Just double click on it to run. Yes. Yes. Now installation is done. Just untick. Okay, and you should be able to see it here. Just double click on it to run. Now all the listed programs will be showing here. It is collecting the install program information. Now we are interested to remove the Microsoft Edge. Just tick that option, and once you tick that option, just expand that from here and then click on force uninstall. Do not tick this option uninstall, just click on force uninstall and yes. Okay, all the tick boxes should be ticked automatically. Click on select all automatically. Okay, once, and then click on remove, and it's going to remove permanently now. Now once I minimize this, you can see the Microsoft Edge program is removed. If I go to add and remove program, fwiz.cpl, now you can see Edge is gone now. Okay, so let me minimize this. Now it's time to create some registry key so that it will not come again. So open the registry editor simply and run as administrator. Click on yes button, and we need to double click on H key local machine, double click on software, then double click on Microsoft, and once you double click on Microsoft, we need to create some value here. This is the value. we need to look for this. Just copy and paste EdgeUpdate, right click, new, then key, and key should be this. E should be capital, U should be capital, and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it should selected now. On the right hand side, just right click, new, DWORD 32-bit value, and the value you need to give this do not update to the S with the Chromium. Just copy this and just rename it, and the value should be this option. You can see starting letter D, N, U, T, E, W, C should be capital, and spelling should be correct as well. I will give all the details into my description box. You can just copy and paste and set its value to 1 and click on OK. Now once you click on OK, just restart your system from here. Okay, once you stop the updating it to the next time, just restart your system and the changes will be take effect, and the Microsoft Edge browser will not come again. But if you want to reopen that or reinstall in a future, you can do that also. Simply how to do that, go to search bar, type there Microsoft Edge download. Simply go to first website, select your operating system, English US, select accept. Okay, now just double click on it, run. Click on yes. Now you can see guys, Microsoft is installed, and you can see we are not now able to access the Edge browser. See, so this is how guys you can completely uninstall the Microsoft Edge from your Windows 10 or 11 PC. So hope this video useful for you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.